I just wanted to, I'm recording a pellet gun that a friend lent me, just seeing what kind of shots I can do with it. This is a pretty long shot. I don't know. I'm going to say it's well over 50 yards. So I just want to see what it'll do on this couch, make some thumps. I don't know how well that showed up from that distance. I don't even really see any marks on the couch. So hopefully the video caught them. Here is a pellet though. Perfectly intact. Yeah, this was a Shadow 640. A little BSA 22 special on it. Cool little gun. 17 caliber. Has some pretty good distance on it. So I just wanted to see what kind of thumps it was making on this old couch, the stunt couch. If you're wondering why there's a chain attached to it, you should be. Not gonna have any kill footage with this rifle. Not unless a bunch of crows land in my yard or something. So we'll just have to see if I can't hit this board on camera. I don't know. That was that pellet I picked up off the front couch. It shot just fine. I'm shooting at that coffee pot with the Shadow 640, Gamo Shadow 640. The little BSA scope. Has a breaks in the center. See if I can hit this with this little flaming dresser. Being all dramatic. I don't know, I'll do 20-30 yards. Shooting from quite a ways out. The gun's more accurate than I am, that's for sure. I'm going to take a couple more shots. Looks pretty spectacular. Anyway, I'm gonna just do this by the light of the fire right now. Show off the Gamo Shadow 640. It's got little neon sights on it and stuff, but it has a little BSA 22 special scope. Works really nice for this type of gun. Like I said, it's just a breaks in the center. You load your single pellet right here, cock it, and fire. Has a little safety that goes forward and back. That's on safe. You just kick it forward with your trigger finger and let it go. It's a fun little pellet gun. The reason I'm kind of looking at pellet guns right now is because the only thing I have right now is a Daisy Red Ryder, and it doesn't have enough power to really take out anything in your yard as far as pests or rodents or whatever. That's mainly what I want, a pellet gun, just so I'm not shooting up ammo or whatever, and don't always really care about the noise much anymore. So this is a lot quieter and easier to maintain and reload and everything else. So, and the ammo is fairly easy to get. I might actually get a slingshot too. But anyway, this is quite a bit more powerful. I think probably 3 times more powerful. This is 640 feet per second. Daisy Red Ryder I think is like 200 or 300, so at least twice as powerful. And you see it could knock over that coffee can from probably 30 yards. You know, it's shooting from quite a ways away for a pellet gun. And this thing is capable of shooting a lot farther than that. It's actually dialed in a couple inches high at like 30 yards, so it's designed, you know, this one's set up to shoot 60-80 yards for squirrels, no problem. So starting to fall apart. Thanks for watching. I'm probably gonna actually look at a couple different pellet guns before I buy one. I have one in mind that's kind of old school that they still make, so I'm gonna look into that. But anyway, I hope everybody's having a good summer. Thanks for watching again. About a 10-yard shot. Couple more shots with the Gamo Shadow 640. Will not penetrate the license plate. Dents it pretty good. Goes through the coffee can, no problem. And knocked over my pop bottle target. They don't always penetrate this too easily, but it does have a pretty cool effect when it gets knocked over. So anyway, there you go. Gamo 640 Shadow. Cool little Gamo 640 Shadow. Nice little pellet gun.